Hi, it's Heaps from the Heaps Estrin team. I'm really excited to welcome you to 94 Cortleigh Boulevard in the heart of Lytton Park. This exceptional home offers over 6,000 square feet of living space, and it's situated in a beautiful location on an absolutely breathtaking 1.8 acre lot that backs onto a private ravine. I hope you'll join me for a tour. This stately Tudor-style masterpiece, set on more than 1.7 acres of rolling green space in coveted Lytton Park, will have you feeling as though you have stepped straight into the pages of a Daphne Maurier novel. Built in 1914, it possesses many of the character-rich details emblematic of the era, including leaded glass windows, rich wood paneling, and numerous wood-burning fireplaces throughout the more than 6,000 square feet of elegant living space. Over the past 65 years, the property has been lovingly maintained and thoughtfully updated by the same family. Perhaps the most breathtaking feature of this gracious home, though, is the pastoral setting upon which it is perched. Backing onto a lush ravine, this supremely private, park-like property, complete with an in-ground pool, is one of the largest in the area. This prime Lytton Park location, bookended by Yonge and Avenue Road, sits on an incredible lot, and it feels like your very own private park, somehow tucked away in the heart of the city. Thank you for touring this spectacular home at 94 Cortleigh. It feels like we're sitting in the backyard at an English manor house set in the countryside. If you'd like more information, please reach out to me directly and I'd be happy to help.